Good morning, friends. It's a lovely day today, and I just thought of making some biryani. My kid loves it, and I too love it, and I too love making it. So, today I'm gonna show you how to make Kolkata biryani. I have cleaned some rice, and I'm gonna put some lemon in it. It makes the rice a little bit fluffy, and it gives a very good texture to your biryani. Put some water. We need to put a little bit of extra water. So done. 2 small bay leaf and couple of cardamoms. Now before putting it, we are gonna make small slits so that the flavor gets out in the water and get mixed pretty well.
Cook your rice over low flame.
We will let it sit on the fire for some time, and once we see the water is coming out, you will see, we'll stop the gas. Now let's fry the potatoes. So I've got my pan. I'm gonna put some oil. Our pan should be hot enough. Well, it's a big pan. This is a heavy bottom pan. The reason behind, a heavy bottom pan makes a very good biryani. And let our pan get little hot, and meanwhile we will stir our potatoes. Pan is hot enough now. We are gonna put some mustard oil in it. And if you don't have mustard oil, you can also try putting white oil. That will also do. But mustard oil gives it a very nice taste. So we are going to put some whole spices, as you can see, some cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. So our oil is hot. We are going to put some finely chopped onion in it. Once the onions are a bit transferred, you will know that they are done, and then we are going to put our spices and mutton in it.
Rice is done. Let's drain the water.
As you can see, our rice has become very nice and fluffy.
We are done with the rice. Now we can cook the mutton.
Onion is done, and we are going to start putting all our spices in it. We have mixed some chamagaj with it. Now if you don't have it, you can use kaju. You can use like 8 to 10 kajus and paste it with your garam masala. Now what I have put in the garam masalas are 5 cloves, 5 cardamom and 1 inch of cinnamon and little bit of nutmeg, very little, just this spoonful.
And also added one red chili in it.
Okay, so now we have put our garam masala in it. Now we're gonna put some curd. A little bit of turmeric. It gives us a very nice flavor and color. Now on this we are gonna pour our mutton. Put our ginger garlic paste in it. We need to mix it very well. You should put something heavy on top of your pan so that the vapor doesn't goes out, and it makes your mutton very soft and juicy. So what I did is I have put my spice grinder on top of it. I have poured some water also so that it helps the water that's in the mutton to stay in the pan only, so it doesn't goes out, and it gives you a lot of time for your mutton to get cooked and not get burned.
Now turn the heat down and put it on the lowest flame possible and let it simmer for next 1 hour. For 1 hour, every 15 minutes, I have opened the lid and I have given it a mix so that it doesn't get stick to the bottom and get burned.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn the heat now, as I'll be putting some water in it. Which will help my mutton, which will help the mutton to get cooked evenly. And I'm gonna put some salt as well. In the mutton, when I marinated, I have put some salt, 1 teaspoon. Now with this, I'm also gonna put the potatoes. So that they become quite soft. I haven't put any chili in it, as you have seen already. The reason behind in the garam masala, I have made paste of 1 red chili and I've given it in the garam masala. So you're not gonna use any green chilies over here, and neither chili powder. And also the garam masala, which I have made for the rice. Here also I have given 1 red chili, 5 cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon, 4 cloves, and small piece of nutmeg. The same as what we have given in chicken, but I have made powder of it, not paste. Okay, so you're gonna cover it now and turn the heat down and let it simmer for half an hour. Half an hour has passed. Looks like it is done. Let's poke it a little and check it. Yeah, seems like it's done. It's quite soft. Alright, so I have turned the heat down and I'm gonna put the rice in it. And we'll get a very good layer once our cooking is done. We are gonna take some milk and mix our masala. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it now evenly. I'm gonna pour some water in it and pour out the remaining of the spices in our rice. Now we are gonna pour some kawra water on it. This gives your biryani a very nice smell. And we're gonna pour a very good amount of ghee on it. Ghee is one of the main ingredients of biryani which gives it its signature smell. Okay, now I'm gonna pour some jaffra mixed with milk. Kolkata biryani is also called dum biryani. Now what's dum is, all the flavor, the vapor will stay in the pan only, and we have to lock it so that your biryani becomes very tasty. Now to do that, what I did is, I have got a dough and I have put it around my pan. To seal our pan. Okay, so now I'm done. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna close the pan. I'm gonna put the lid back, and also I'm gonna put my spice grinder on top of it. So we'll leave it like this for around 35 to 40 minutes for our rice to get cooked. It has been already 35 minutes, more than 35 minutes. We're gonna see how is our biryani looking. I hope it's done. Let's see. It's a little stuck. Need to put some extra strength. Yup. Yes, it's done. Let's mix it a little. That's how the Kolkata biryani looks. A little white rice, a little yellow rice, all mixed together. It looks perfect. Wow, it looks perfect. Let me test it. Let's see how it tastes. Wow, it tastes perfect. Give it a try, guys, at your home. It should come out exactly like this. Let me know if you have any questions. Please put it in the comment. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please subscribe if you like the video and share. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.